Let's see if I got a bite. Your line looks like it's fucking drifting. Maybe. Probably not. Some weight. Sea bass.
One net?
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, net it. It might be a sea bass though. Yeah, it's a good fluke. Almost didn't record.
Keeper.
Oh, sway.
That's a keeper.
That's a fucking good one too.
Should have got both pools.
I ain't no pool fish.
I don't know. Ready?
Yeah, give me some.
I'll get water.
Yeah.
What do you got?
You got a skate up here.
Okay, don't lift them out of the water. I'll be there in 2 minutes and I'll unhook them for you.
Don't tell anyone about that orange, man. Don't tell anyone.
It's a skate. It's a skate.
Gator? That was a keeper?
That was a keeper. Who's got the skate?
He grabbed it hard as shit. There was no mistaking that.
There hasn't been too many bluefish around at all, period. I'm snagged.
So they're just jumping like that?
Yeah, just flipping in the school, breeding, swimming.
Yo, net. Actually, I might have lied.
That's all right. I can always put it back.
I might not have lied.
Oh, you lied.
Do you think so?
I did.
Oh, fuck.
17.
I'd rather have the net there ready than it's going to be about a 17-incher.
John, what the?
You gotta retie.
No, no.
Oh, 17.
17 on the dot. What do you think, Ted?
Oh, I thought you bled him the whole time.
Nah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a nice spot.
Wait, where's the spot? I don't know the spot. It should be right here. Good or bad?
South, usually south is the greatest where you want. Brings cold water. What do you think?
17.
South winds usually bring chillier water in. You would think it'd be the opposite. You'd think it brings warmer water in. But it's that upwelling. The water gets chilly.
Oh, I see. Well, it's okay. The bigger bite.
When are you gonna get rid of it?
I keep trying to get rid of him. He keeps coming back. Calm down, bro.
I might have a keeper.
Okay. Oh shit, look at that. Good one here? Good one?
Wait.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm stupid. My bad, bro.
Oh, get over it. There we go.
She heavy? It got stuck on something. Oh man, that's pain. Get him out of the net.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
His teeth. There you go. Thank you, bro. Yo, Joey. What the fuck going on? Yo, buddy. Turn around, twin.
keeper.
He's 19 all day. No shot.
Short, kid.
What do you got? Inside. Daddy, leave them little ones alone, bro. Come on, Randy, sweet. Short. Leave them little ones. Another one. Holy, stop right on the back.
I don't know. It's another skate. Oh, I got a fluke. Small one. That's not a fluke.
The one?
No.
No.
Unless you think it's a fluke. I don't think it is. It's a foul hook fluke?
Yeah.
Oh, it's behind you, man.
And it's actually not a bad fish.
Might be close to keeping you something.
Ow, bro.
You good?
Yeah.
Now tap you?
Nah. This is my arm. My arm. Don't drop him high. Oh. You should go, actually.